still here? Can the DJI Neo 2 realistically follow you while skiing? That's exactly what I'm testing today in real conditions. Today I will show you how the DJI Neo 2 performs in skiing follow mode. For this test I don't need the digital transceiver here. If I need to bring the drone back, I can also use my phone. But before we head down, let me quickly show you the options we have in the DJI Fly app. Alright, the DJI Neo is now connected to the phone and we will check out the skiing follow mode. Here we go, we have the option medium, high, and here we can go flat or low. I will go with high and I will go to medium distance and it should follow me. So basically that's it. There are not a lot of options here. Okay, setup is very simple. The real question is how this works once you're actually skiing. Everything set up, the Insta360 will be mounted on my helmet. Let's get the Neo 2 back up in the air and see how it follows me while skiing. Okay, let's go. So I think the first test went great. Let's go for the next round. Okay, so the drone should follow me. It's right behind me, that's great. So let's go a bit faster. I can still hear it, so that's awesome. It's still here. That's amazing. So let's take a break. Yes, it's still here. Let's go on. Okay, so I think this is working out. The drone is still behind me, and I would say let's go faster. Awesome! Still following me. No issues. Unbelievable. All right, let's go down here. And I think that's enough. Perfect. The test was more than successful. It followed me the whole time. Alright, back at home, and after reviewing the footage, I have to say I'm really impressed of how the DJI Neo 2 handled skiing follow. I only landed once because there were too many people in front of me, safety first, but otherwise it stayed locked onto me almost the entire run. For my taste, the movements were sometimes a bit fast and reactive, but I'm curious what you think. Thanks for watching, leave a like if this was helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more real-world drone tests. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.